Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will look at a program in Excel VBA that loops through all closed workbooks and worksheets in a directory and displays all the names here in the sheet 1. So first I will show you the folder where I have saved the files. So inside the folder files I have saved book 1, book 2, book 3, book 4 and book 5. And inside all the workbooks there is multiple of worksheets. So I don't know how many worksheets is there, and I wanted to know by using the VBA code. So let's move into the VBA code. So first you need to click on the developer tab, then open the Visual Basic Editor. You can also use the shortcut key or else click here. So and else otherwise you can do one thing, click in the design mode and first insert a command button from here. So I have already inserted the command button, and just click on the design mode and right click here and click on the view code option. Then I have declared the variables here. First I have declared the directory as a string, file name as a string, and sheet as a worksheet, I as integer and j as integer because it will contain the numeric value only, and dim x as a file dialog. So to avoid screen flicker, I have turned off the screen updating. So Application.ScreenUpdating equal to false. So it will help to avoid the screen flicker. Code for folder selection by user. So I have written these 4 lines to give the access to the user to select the folder. And after selecting the folder, I am getting the path here. And after that, initialize the variable directory. We use the dir function to find the first .xl file stored in this directory. The directory function supports the use of multiple characters. So why we are using asterisk symbols in the beginning? Because the file name can be multiple of words, can contain multiple of words, and we all know after XL there is only 2 words can increase, because the file name is XLSX, XLSM, XLS, like this. So then we it's just written here that the use of multiple character, asterisk symbol and single character for question mark wildcards to search for all different type of Excel files. So file name directory, so the directory will contain the path and it will search the folder. So the variable file name now holds the name of the first Excel file found in the directory. So the directory function here contain the first Excel file. Now I have added a do while loop. So what do while do here? So it's basically check if the file name is blank, then the loop will stop working. So I equal to I plus 1, that means every time it will increase the I value. Okay, so j equal to 2, it's a column. In the next part I will show you where I have used the j. And cells, it's a row and it's a column. So it means column A and cell number 1, row number 1, it will store the first file name. There is no simple way to extract data or sheet names from closed Excel files. Therefore, we open the Excel file. So we open the Excel file in the backend, workbooks.open, so directory and file name. Then we will add all the Excel sheets into another column, that means column B. Okay, so it will, I have written here for each sheet in workbooks filename.worksheets. So it means it will loop through every worksheets of every workbooks. So now it will close the file name. That means it will close the file in the backend again. So the directory function is a special function to get other Excel files. You can use the dir function again with no arguments. So when no more file names match, the directory function returns a 0 length string, that means a blank string. As a result, Excel VBA will leave the do while loop. Here we have already mentioned that if the file name is blank, that means do while till the time file name is not blank. So file name equal to dir blank, and here close the loop, do while loop. So turn on again the screen updating outside the loop. So I have written down application.screenUpdating equal to true. So let's test the program, how it works. Just click on the click on the developer tab again and click on the design mode. Now you can able to click on the command button. So click here, it will ask you to select the folder. So here I have select the folder files. Click OK. So it will give you here book 1, book 2, book 3, book 4 and book 5. See, and from column B it has started to give in the sheet name. So that's it for this video.